Now, introducing the Derek Cuba Show. Hello, my name is Derek, and we have a special guest today on this show. Her name is Hilda. Come on, Hilda. Alright, so today we're just gonna ask her some questions and see what her answer is. We have some
Okay. The folks back at home said that you had a really huge obsession with cats.
Is that true?
Yes, that's true. I like cats.
Okay. How many cats do you have?
Only one. Her name is Fluffy. I think I brought Fluffy with me. Let me find it. Come on, Fluffy. Fluffy.
Oh my God!
Yeah, I know. She's like this big.
How many pounds is that cat?
I think 2.
I don't believe that's true. That doesn't work.
No, it's 2.
That's too easy.
It's 2.
Okay. So, what's your favorite color, Hilda? Hilda, what's your favorite color? Hilda, what is your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
I like brown.
That's blue.
Brown.
Okay. So, now we're gonna see who matters the most. I'm just gonna go over here and see if I can find the people who asked Hilda some questions, alright? Be right back.
I like Fluffy.
Okay, so I found the people. Okay, I'm just gonna bring them in here.
She weighs 2 pounds.
Alright. Hilda. Did you ever know that you had a huge case of ugly?
What'd you say?
You have a huge case of ugly! Problem.
I like
kill one of the holes.
I like cats.
Okay, now I'm gonna try to get my lawyer to declare a lawsuit on Hilda. So for next time, see ya.
I like cats.